I'd be lying if I said I hate being around positive people. I admire their energy, but that is not enough to make you a great vlogger. I'm addicted to storytelling, and I'm in awe of people who just seem to have stories pouring out of them. People who can make a trip to Tesco sound like a Ulyssian epic. But it's not enough to make a great vlogger. I think transparency is a vital part of building trust, and there have been celebrities that have spoken their mind at just the right time to change society. But sharing every intimate thought is not enough to make you a great vlogger. From my observations of various channels and from our own experience of what worked and what didn't, there's only one thing you need to be a great vlogger, and that one thing will make everything else make sense. What is that one thing? A point. Have a point. None of this is worth it if you're just trying to get subs and affiliate links and nothing else. What is it on the most personal level that you want to transmit to others? By now, you'll know what that thing is. And when you create material that has a point, your audience will feel it. Then it doesn't matter whether you're positive or not, whether you overshare a bit, or whether the narrative has a few holes in it, you'll still find an audience. And this applies whether you're making a how-to video or interviewing the Dalai Lama. Once you know what that point is, add on the production quality so that what you're wanting to transmit comes across as clearly as it possibly can. And that means 1, investing the time to research and write. 2, investing in professional sound. 3, investing in a professional camera. 4, investing in professional lights. 5, getting to grips with the mechanics of distribution. Because if you've got something to say, then the craft of filmmaking is there to help you amplify it, but only if you learn the language. Do all of that consistently and you'll be a great vlogger. Ignore the stereotype of the overly enthusiastic oversharer and discover your own voice. The original lifestyle vlogs from the early days of YouTube were literally a visual diary of the vlogger's day. They were a series of often unconnected activities that started with brushing one's teeth and ended with getting back into bed. This lives on in the vlogs of Casey Neistat, who has taken each day in his life and made it not just a diary, but a short filmic experience for his audience. This really is peak lifestyle vlog, and although it looks effortless, he is working like a Formula One pit monkey to create that kinetic illusion. He successfully discarded every shred of the mundane or meaningless and inserted a narrative line that somehow manages to simultaneously include real-time events while telling that day's story. Although it appears at first like a day-to-day record of just stuff that happened, mingled with reflective insights, he has conspired to make short movies. It's been so successful and spawned so many imitators that we've even had deluded approaches from people who would like us to make lifestyle vlogs of them, but make it look like they shot it. This is all on you, Neistat. If you're concerned at all about being on camera for the first time, maybe watch this video, that'll help you out. And why not subscribe, because we put out stuff like this 3 times a week and it's brilliant. Oh, there was that one video. But other than that, it's perfect.
And the other video about the latest release.
Oh yeah, the latest release, that one.